guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Whiz bang. Tinapon siya ni Baiti. 1-1. Good night. Narinig niya siguro sa labas. Yeah. Oh, purple. Ba't purple yan? Who shouted? Ano naman nangyari? You annoying tiger. I'm Shuang Yun, the chief of Rock Wolf tribe and silver-haired beast. Inilaw yung puntot. Lower your voice, please. O diba nag-please pa rin si Baiti? Why did you stop me? We agreed to sleep with 1-1 by turns. Swish. Diba nag-transform siya agad? May damit ka na ba? Oh, may damit agad. Don't you find 1-1 felt unwell? Nga naman. Suka, ayaw niya yun. What do you mean? Baka ano talaga nitong Shuang Yun na to? Di mo na lang napansin? She vomited today. Oh, yeah. Tamo to? Pansin mo naman palang sumuka eh. And then, what's next? I think she is pregnant. Pregnant. You think so, Baiti? O diba, na-shock ka? Di ka makapagsalita ngayon. Nakapagsalita pala. Huh? Oh? Oh? Gulat ka, no? Yes, sometimes female beasts may vomit during the first trimester of pregnancy. 1-1 had never vomited. Yan na. Ngayon pa sila nag-iisip ng ganyan. I'll go and see her. Kakakuha nga lang sa'yo eh. Papahinga nga, diba? It's too late. Let her sleep soundly. Although she has superb medical skills, she often ignores her health. We can know it after we invite Meng Li to come and check her. Oh, si Meng Li na lang. Para i-check niya si 1-1. Okay. I'm eager to know whether she's pregnant or not. Of course. Kahit nga kami excited eh. Baidi, if 1-1 is pregnant, whose baby do you think it is? We'll know. Kung wolf siya or tiger. No matter whose baby it is, 1-1's kids will always be my kids. Oh, buti pa to si Baiti. Yes. Ngayon ka pa nag-yes. Ngayon pa nag-yes. The next day. Okay, what's up with the next day? What happened the next day? Mr. Meng Li, what brings you here early in the morning? Pumunta talaga early in the morning si Mr. Meng Li. Of course, to check on you. Duh. Char. Miss Wanwan, please show me your hand. Talaga na, nakabantay talaga si Baidi. Hand? Nasente pa kayong. Have you had any physical changes recently? Yes, with a bigger appetite. I seem to have gained a little weight. Oh, what else? My period hasn't come yet this month. Am I what? Am I? Take back. Ba't mo kinuha yung kamay mo? According to my diagnosis, you're pregnant. Tararan! Pregnant na si Wanwan. Pregnant na si Wanwan. You're pregnant, girl. O, diba? Sarap ng smile ni Baidi. Really? Yeah. Really? O, diba? Happy silang dalawa. Si Sangye, paano yan? Hanggang tingin ka na lang muna, Sangye, ha? Next time ka na. O, diba? I really have a baby in my belly? Tsa. Bakit parang di ka happy, girl? Di ba? But can you confirm I'm pregnant only by feeling my pulse? Still don't believe it. How does this smell? What's the connection of smelling? It smells a bit bad. It smells like someone farts after having garlic. Is the smell strong? Do you feel like vomiting as soon as you smell it? No, it's just a little smelly. The longer you get pregnant, the worse you find it smell. So, buntis ka talaga, girl. Confirm. So, paano malalaman kung how long? It seems you just became pregnant. You've been pregnant for most half a month. I really have a baby in my belly? Yes, girl, you have a baby now. Bata niya pa, no? Edad niya to 17? 17 ba siya? Okay, now, she's in dilemma. So, I must have become pregnant after we had a bonfire party with the Fax tribe. So, sino sa dalawa? Whose baby is this? Of course, expectant silang dalawa kasi silang dalawa man talaga yung partner mo. My gosh! I can't believe this happened to me. Ay, kung ganyan ba naman lagi yung suot mo, ganyan talaga mangyari sa'yo. Carry her in the arms. Parang bata lang kinarga ni Baidi. What do you want to do? Pinatulog. Matutulog ka ngayon. It's the first time for you to have a baby. And you're so little. We must take good care of you. When the females in our tribe are pregnant, they do nothing but eat, drink, and rest at home. The males usually take care of them. If so, I'll become a fatty. Ganyan talaga mangyayari sa'yo, girl. Tataba ka talaga. Suspend your teaching activity. Ay. Suspended. Don't worry. Real as I am, I'm very healthy. Sabagay, healthy ka naman. Di ka naman nagkakasakit, di ba? And I don't have any serious pregnancy reaction. It shows I have a good baby. Sabagay. Isang beses ka pa lang naman nagsuka, pero half a month ka pa lang naman. My baby can also listen to my class when I teach you. It's much better than staying at home. Tama. Much better. Then, please, let me go on teaching. Teaching lagi. Mas okay man yan sa buntis. Sige, pumayag na kasi kayo. Okay, we'll listen to you. Baidi and Shuangyin were finally persuaded by Wanwan and allowed her to go on teaching. So mag-spread agad yung news niyan. Surely si Shaoling malalaman niya. Soon, all the bees knew about Wanwan's classes. So marami na siyang tuturuan. Miss Wanwan, we're here for class. Ang cute! The bees all wanted to send their kids to class, including those of the feather tribe. Twitter noisy! Nag-aaral sila oh. All the bees work actively to earn work points. Galing. Trabaho lang. Ang personalan. Diba? Puro sila trabaho. That's good. Para mas bumuti naman ang ninyo. Work living. Diba? Living status ninyo sa empire. Buti naman nagkakasundo na yung yung 3 tribes. More than 10 mu of vegetable fields and orchards were reclaimed. Ang dami na. As time went by, Wanwan also began to feel the physical changes in her pregnancy. 1 month pregnant. 1 month pa lang. Dami mo ng changes na naranasan. Pag sure, my baby is so good and quiet. It seems that pregnancy isn't that frightful. Sure, 1 month pa lang gani. Vomit. I'm so naive. Half a month later. Suka na siya ng suka. I'll vomit before each meal every day. It's gonna kill me. Before, so bago siya kumain, susuka mo na siya. Ew! We're home! Pretty pa rin naman. Sinong dumating? Wanwan, how are you today? Si Baiti. Si Shuangyin siya si Sangye. Oh, you didn't eat much this noon?
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.